Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. We'll get started with our pledge, and Isaiah is our special helper today. Then we will do all of our morning work, and everybody stand up, get ready for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, let's get our special helper Isaiah ready to roll. Here he comes, everybody. There he is. Who is special? Who is special? Look and see, look and see. Someone very special, someone very special. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. All right, and Isaiah has his sharing for recycled projects that I will share out in the email that you got so you can take a peek at what he did. And let's get going with morning message work. All right. Hope you all have your binders ready. And here we go. Dear kindergarten, today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Isaiah is the special helper. Love, Mrs. Oberg. Now, of course, I didn't expect you to write it that fast. You know, go ahead and get your message written, and then let's take a peek at our next jobs we need to do in our morning binders. Or I guess I could say your binders, because you might be doing your work at night. So let me take a peek here and show you. You need to make sure you're doing your word work for Isaiah's name, Isaiah Kleist. And then let's take a peek at Isaiah Kleist's first and last name word sentence. Or number sentence, I mean. Here we go. Oh, Mrs. Oberg has to back everything up. There we go. So, Isaiah Kleist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in his first name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in his last name. Let's see if we can do that count on from. So both of them are the same, so we'll just start with any 6, doesn't matter. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Make sure you write that in your number sentence page. And then we're going to take a peek at our handwriting for today. All right, today we get to work on Mrs. Oberg's favorite letter, E, my baseball letter. All right, so here we go, kindergarten. I think you can tell me or anybody else at your family exactly how to write this letter. You know, it's my magic E that we hit the ball, run around the bases, and stop. It's a small letter, so it sits between our two lines. Now, you all know, because of the coronavirus, baseball's canceled, just like school's canceled. So I hope you can play some baseball outside. But in the meantime, let's practice all of these E's. The sound that represents letter E is eh, eh, eh. The long sound for the letter E is its name, E, eel, eel. So do your work here, uppercase, it's a frog jump capital, and then hit the ball, run the bases. Make sure you put your pencil right on that dot, hit the ball straight out, and then run around the bases. Hit the ball straight out and run around the bases. Let's do one more together. Hit the ball straight out and run around the bases. Don't just make a loopy E from that dot. You need to make sure you hit the ball out and then run around the bases. If you need more practice, practice on just a plain piece of paper so you get that hitting and running around the bases part in. All right? So do your E's, and then on the back side, pretty easy work today. We've got to start at the top, tall letter L, who we just do a pull straight down and done. So it is tall. The sound that represents letter L is O, lizard. Here we go. Big line, little line. Pull straight down, pull straight down. I think you've got it. I did forget, in your binders, remember to do your first and last name work too. Our handwriting work is always to do our best. Hold that pencil correctly. Make sure your helper hand is doing its job. All right. So, you know that every day we want to read at least 10 minutes private read. That means you're taking the books that you can read and you're doing your best work with them. Now, yesterday we were working on that strategy of knowing all of the details in your books so that you can do retelling of those stories. Keep practicing that. And also, I read a story that all of you can watch sometime called Piggies in Pajamas. Hey, maybe you want to read it or listen to Mrs. Oberg's story when you're wearing your pajamas. But this is a story, just like many stories I've read you this year, that we do math work in. So when you're listening to this story, not only are we learning about reading strategies, we're learning about math ideas too. Numbers, counting forward, counting backwards. So think about that when you listen to this story. And I hope you're wearing your pajamas, because the piggies are. They have some mischief they get into, you know. And then, boys and girls, we will do all of our math binder work. And Mrs. Oberg knows you guys have got this down. You know exactly what to do. Do your calendar page. Tomorrow we don't have school, so go ahead and fill in the 4 for Saturday. And then check your weather. Whoops, sorry. Check your weather. Record it on your sheet. Sing your weather song that's in your binder. And then we're going to take a peek today. This is yesterday's number 2 page. Mrs. Oberg thinks that you all can start to get this down pat. We'll do it together a couple more days, and then I know that you'll be able to do this work at home by yourselves. So today is a 3rd, so we write a 3 right in the middle. What is 1 more than 3? 4. 1 less. 5. Oh, we better get Isaiah back up here. There he is. The number word for 3. Ooh, listen to me say it. 3. What do you hear at the beginning? TH. That diagraph TH, and then it says E. So we put 2 E's. Hey, great practice. We just practiced those E's in our handwriting. Now we've got them in our number word for 3. All right, Isaiah, tell us how we would do part, whole, or bunny ears to make 3. Here's what Isaiah's gonna do for us today. 3 and 0. 3, 0. Make 3. Part, whole. 3 plus 0 equals 3. There we go. 3 tally marks. 3 dots in our 10 frame. Oops. What do you think? Even or odd? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And odd. Odd! Odd. 3 is an odd number. And then go ahead. If you can, start your number track writing at number 3 today. If that's a little too tricky yet, just start it at 1. Either way is perfectly fine. Work through your math page. And then we're going to head into our journal. And today, I hope this went well yesterday where you had to find 8 of something and divide it into 2 equal parts. So today, we have our hundreds chart. Here's what I want you to do at home. Remember when you were special helper and you got to point to a number and then count on 5 more numbers from there? You can play that hundreds chart game. You can do riddles from the 100 chart. You can have someone in your family say, I'm thinking of a number that is 3 less than 37. So you have to think in your brain, 37, 36, 35, 34. 36, 35, 34. How about this one? I'm thinking of a number that is 2 more than 12. 13, 14, 14! I'm thinking of a number that is 1 more than 99. 100! So, play some hundreds games on your hundreds chart. Maybe you want to go through and color some of the numbers, color all of the count by 2s blue, color all of the count by 5s red, color all of the count by 10s green. Play the riddle games, play the count on from games, and keep this math resource because this is going to help us with lots of things. All right. And then we loved doing this. Oh, I'm going to stop. That's for Monday. Sorry. So, Jack Hartman math songs, if you can get to YouTube. If not, sing them yourself. You know what to do. Go outside, write all your numbers backwards from 20 with a stick. Maybe in the snow. The snow's almost gone. Maybe you can do it on the sidewalk. Do something outside with your counting. Jump up and down. Do pattern work. Have someone tell you a pattern. Keep those math brains going, kindergarten. All right. And then that should wrap up all of our learning for Friday, except for you had homework this week, and our homework poem was Oh Rainbow. So today, I want to sing it one more time with you, and then I want all of you to make sure you've done your homework sheet for this and stick it in your poem binder that I sent home because this is going to be a great poem for you. I hope that you go through and you find all of those color words. Remember how to draw a box around them and color it in like we have? Do that with the same color of all of those color words. All right. Oh, rainbow. Sing it with me, kindergarten. Oh, rainbow, how lovely are your colors. Oh, rainbow, how lovely are your colors. Purple, red, and orange too. Yellow, green, and blue, so true. Oh, rainbow, how lovely are your colors. All right, I hope you get all that work done. Stick it in that poem binder so you can practice reading it. It's a great thing to do for your private read time. All right, have a great weekend, kindergarten. Thanks, Isaiah, for being an awesome special helper today, and we'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys.